Welcome to this week's episode of the Weekly Walkthrough, where each week I feature a home or a property that I think is a really great opportunity. Today we are in Buckeye, Arizona, in the gated community of the Highlands, which is located in the master plan community of Verrado. This home behind me was built in 2022 by Capital West Homes, and it's actually one of their model homes that they are now selling, which means it's on one of the nicest lots here in the Highlands with stunning views that you just can't beat of these White Tank Mountains. This home is offered at $1.2 million and it's fully furnished. So let's head inside and go take a look. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with an office and a loft. It's all meticulously designed and decorated. It's 3,000 square feet with a 3-car garage that also includes a pull-through to the backyard. So I'll show you that in a little bit. And it's on a 7,800 square foot lot. So it's one of the larger lots here in the Highlands. You've got 9-foot ceilings in here, a gourmet kitchen, gas appliances, floating stairs, and panoramic mountain views that I will show you as well. And it has an owner suite with its own private balcony. So I'm going to take you around and have you see what it looks like. Okay, so you've got bedroom number 1 on your first floor here. Gorgeous views out these windows here. You've got a full bath down here for your guest. It also passes through here to these stairs up here. Cabinets are floor to ceiling here. Got your pantry, LG ovens, stainless steel appliances, gas. This is your signature hot filler here, your signature oven here. I really like this smaller oven size here. And then you also have your full size oven as well. Your soft close cabinets and drawers. Got that two-tone on the cabinets here. Beautiful windows that look outside on your backyard and gorgeous mountain views. Nice size family room, dining close. There's those floating stairs I was telling you about. And here's your office. Lots of windows, light and bright in here. Your dishwasher, your prep sink here. This door will go out to your garage. I'll show you that in a bit. Let's head upstairs. Nice big loft here, which is so nice during the summer months. This home is just over 3,000 square feet, which is perfect size to kind of get out of each other's hair in the summer. If you have kids, everybody has kind of a place to go. This is bedroom number 2. You have a nice sized closet in here, walk-in closet. Again, stunning views out these windows here. Let's head over to our primary. Kind of a standalone wall here with your bathroom behind it here. Shower. Really big walk-in closet here. No tub, as you notice. And your own balcony out here. Another full-size bathroom in here. And your laundry with a sink. And your 4th bedroom here also with its own walk-in closet. Beautiful views. Beautiful flooring in here. Let's head out to the backyard. Talked about that pass through from the garage from here, which makes it really nice. Look at these views. Here's what I love about this home. First off, these views of the White Tank Mountains. I mean, you just cannot deny how gorgeous they are. It's absolutely gorgeous right from your own backyard. For as far as you can see there, all here, there's trails all along here that are really, really beautiful. There's also a wash that runs behind this home. So you're gonna get to see a lot of wildlife from back here. There are bobcats, deer, and javelina. You're gonna see just all sorts of creatures. So you're gonna be really lucky to be able to view that from here. This home also faces north-south, so while you'll get to see some beautiful sunsets over the White Tanks to your west, you're not going to have that sun beating down into your backyard all day. I also really love the floor plan on this model. At just over 3,000 square feet, it's not overwhelming, it's laid out really efficiently, and you have that loft upstairs for those summer months. It gives everybody a little bit of room to spread out and have their own space. I do also love the pull-through garage space as well. So if you're entertaining and your guests arrive, you can just have them head straight through the garage and into your backyard. Also, if you have kids, that's really nice too. There's plenty of room for a pool back here, so kids can just go right through the garage and out to the front of the home without tracking a bunch of water through your house. So that's super nice as well. You're just minutes from downtown Main Street in Verrado, where we have all of our restaurants. It's where we host all of our community events, and there's a small grocery store, a CVS pharmacy, our elementary school and middle schools are close by. We have a barber, a hair salon, a day spa, all really super close. You name it, you are just minutes from it here in Verrado. The Victory Course which is a golf course, we have 2 of them here in Verrado, is located in our 55 plus community. And then we have a Founders Course that's located just west of the Main Street area. So if you like to play golf, you're minutes from golf. We also have a Costco, a Banner Health Center, a Fry's grocery store, UPS, Goodwill, Ace Hardware, and a couple different veterinarians really close by, and also tons more commercial that's coming in just 5 to 10 minutes from this home. So it's conveniently located between all of that, and then you get to come home to these beautiful views and just a really peaceful neighborhood. I hope you enjoyed getting to see this beautiful home today. If you would like to book a private showing, please reach out. I would love to take you through it. My name is Michelle Seymour, and I'm an Arizona realtor that covers the area west of Phoenix, also known as the West Valley. And I get phone calls from people just like you who are thinking about moving here to Arizona. So if that's you and you're thinking about moving here in the next day, week, or even month from now, please reach out. You can give me a call, text me, or send me an email, and I would be more than happy to help. Also, if this is your first time to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to learn about anything new that's happening here in Arizona. Until next time, thanks for joining me today.